Happy graduation! Welcome back to Gagne Farms. I'm Candace.
And I'm Eric, and today we're moving these duckers to a bigger habitat. All right, so we got ourselves some poultry netting here, and we're gonna go ahead and set this up around our duckers over there. So I believe this is Starkline net, is it? And we got this from TSC, and we were gonna go the Premier One route, but they were on back order, and we really needed to get this fence going. So we went with the TSC route on this one. I think it'll work out great. Okay, Candace, now you get to set up the fence.
Ha ha ha!
So I think you just do something like this, yeah? That's about where we want it, right?
Yep. If you're gonna leave a path there, leave it big enough for the lawnmower, for the push mower. Yeah.
Move every other piece.
We ordered a dog pool for the ducks.
What?
It's a dog pool, but I thought it would work for the ducks, so we're gonna try it out. So here's our dog duck pool. I don't even know what it looks like yet.
Just cracking the old box open right now.
Yep. Unboxing the pool. Oh, look at that, a box in a box.
That's how Amazon rolls.
Aw, it's got a cute little doggy on it.
Should put a duck on it.
Right? Okie dokie. Not sure what to do with this.
Is that instructions on how to put water in a pool?
No. It's a repair kit.
Okay.
Bubble wrap. We'll save that for later.
Yep.
And
Oh, you're gonna want to do that in the thing.
yeah, let's take it over where we're gonna put it. I bought this pool because it has a drain on it, and with ducks it's necessary to have a drain on your pool because they get their water
We get the water.
water messy. They get their water messy really fast.
All right, where do you want to put this?
Well, where do you want a lot of water to drain?
See, it's not that
It's
big.
not as big as I thought.
Right.
All right.
Sure. That's great.
I have to put bricks or rocks or something for them to be able to get in it.
All right. Now while we're filling up the pools over here, I'm gonna put this drown rod in. That should be fun in the 90-degree heat. Remember to call Miss Dig before you pound stuff in the ground. There we go. Okay, so the Energizer goes on the post. Hopefully it doesn't hit the net. Kind of like that, eh? So I'm just going to connect our positive and negative ground, or positive and negative connections here for Energizer. I'm still putting the initial charge on the battery in the barn right now. It comes with a DC outlet for the battery, and it's still charging. I don't think we're going to get our fence electrified today. Probably got to let it go all night, and we'll turn it on tomorrow. But I want to get everything ready, so that's what we do. That's what we do's. All right, so we just got our negative ground down to our ground rod, and then this guy here, we shut this up at night, or through the day, whatever. Tie this guy in a knot, like that, like so. And then something like that. Pretty simple, huh? Candace has been doing this for about 3 hours. What you think, ducks? Where are they going?
On their way. What are you feeling?
What are we doing, guys? Oh, now you have figured it out.
Thanks a lot for joining us today. The ducks have graduated to their new pen, and they are so happy.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, check it out. The ducks, they got the new pool. They got a hot tub and a swimming pool, it looks like, over here. And for right now, I just propped up their chicken tractors, what they've been staying in. We just propped that up so they can get underneath of it in case of any aerial predators. I actually have a different coop we're bringing in. I'm just waiting to get a window, and as soon as I can get the window installed, then we're going to be putting that in here as well. So I'll show you guys that here coming up. Yeah, right now they're just, all they've been doing is swimming, so they've been loving this pool over here.
Yep.
So
we're taking bets on how many times I shock myself on this fence.
Yeah, but
before I learn.
Hey, with the fence, guys, super easy install. It really wasn't that hard. First time we've ever dealt with a fence like this, so we just, once we got it laid out right, it went good. I do have to put the battery in the Energizer yet, and it's still charging in the barn. So I'll get to that in the morning. I'm gonna let it charge up overnight. I'll get it in the morning, and I'll let you guys know. Maybe we'll throw something on Instagram or something real quick and kind of let you know the follow-up here of our Energizer on our fence. So I'm sure it's gonna work great. Well, thanks again, guys. If you haven't already, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out here in Gagne Farms. Hit that like button down below. Hey guys, don't forget we got our Thursday night live coming up this Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern time. Why don't you come on over and check us out and ask any questions you might have around here with our homestead. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.